Meaning of expectoration.
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 Expectoration. Expectoration refers to the act of coughing up and spitting out mucus, phlegm, or other material from the respiratory tract. This process is a natural way for the body to clear out excess secretions or foreign substances, such as dust or bacteria, that may accumulate in the lungs and airways. Expectoration can be helpful for people with respiratory conditions like bronchitis or pneumonia, as it helps to alleviate symptoms like coughing and congestion. However, excessive or prolonged expectoration can be a sign of underlying respiratory problems, and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional.